Okay, so we just bought a house. It was built in 1974 and it came with the original vacuum system. You put it in this little thing right here. It'll come on. Come up a little bit. You hear it? All right, come this way. Let me show you. You gotta come this way. And it still works. There's chocolate in the floor. Kids already making use of the new house, getting it dirty. They ain't even moved in yet. That's crazy, ain't it? Let's get in here. Look how long this thing is.